Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I'm doing smashed cucumbers, as you can see in the title. The reason for this is because, I have a quick story. I was at my sister's house. We had an Asian planned meal, and I made this cucumber salad for that particular dinner. It never even made it to the table. It's so delicious that all the girlfriends and my niece, we were all hanging out in the kitchen, never made it to the table. So I thought I would do that for you today so you can get it on your table, hopefully. So here's where I'm going to start. I use an English cucumber, and the reason is these skins are not waxed, unlike the typical American cucumber. I don't know what the variety is called, but this is called a hothouse or an English cuke. Sometimes it's called a burpless cucumber because it's not, it doesn't have many seeds. The skin is thin, and you can eat the skin, and you don't have to remove the seeds because the ratio of seeds to flesh is small. So what I'm going to do is just wrap this up. Now I have a mallet, but you can use a pan. You can use a cleaver, just kind of whack it with a cleaver. You can use a rolling pin. So here we go. Remember that lady who cut you off in the supermarket? There you go. You just kind of smash this. That guy who rear-ended you when you were sitting at a red light? Hopefully that doesn't happen. Now the reason for smashing as opposed to cutting this is because, think about it, when you cut a cucumber, you're creating this slick surface and the dressing does not, it kind of slides right off of it. So when you smash it, you're creating these craggy surfaces, they're uneven, and then I take it and you can tear it apart if you get these big pieces like that. Just tear it up. Or you can cut it if you'd like, but the flavor difference just by smashing it is amazing. It really is extraordinary. These little end pieces are just too hard to really try to use, so that will go away. Now I'm just going to put some salt. This is 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Putting that over this, and a ½ teaspoon of sugar. And just toss that up. This goes into the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes, and I'll see you after that. What's going to happen is all of the juices will come out of this, and it also changes the texture. This particular salad is used in China as a foil against really hot days or hot food. So it's pretty interesting. Anyway, I'll see you in a ½ hour when this is ready to go. Well, 40 minutes has gone by, and this is all of the liquid that has exuded from this cucumber. So this just gets thrown out. The cucumber goes into the now clean and empty bowl. And to this I'm going to add 1 clove of garlic that I've minced. If you want to make it into a paste, that's also delicious. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, ½ teaspoon of soy sauce, and I'm using sriracha, but you can use red pepper flakes, and you just want just a little poke of heat, just to juxtapose the freshness and the coolness of the cucumber. It's really good in there. And then a teaspoon of sesame oil. And typically I don't promote products, but this is the only sesame oil you should bother to spend your money on. Excellent product. Every other sesame oil that I've ever tasted pales by comparison. So then you just finish it with some sesame seed. That's it. So it's very simple. Toss this around. You can put this back in the fridge for another hour or so before serving it. Let all of these flavors meld together. But I'm gonna have some right now because this sesame oil smells so good. It's fresh, it's cool. This is a delicious salad. It's amazing how smashing those cell walls instead of cutting them changes the texture, changes the flavor of a cucumber. It's so refreshing, it's so delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me here by subscribing, Nina in the Kitchen, and ninahintthekitchen.net for the recipe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.